சும்மா மணி மார்னிங்ஸ் எல்லாம் நல்லா இருக்காங்க. டாலர் வச்சு மணி மார்னிங்ஸ் எல்லாம். Okay. Thank you for the nice introduction. And first of all, I want to thank Mr. Prakash who made me join in this global, and that's why I'm here. And I heartily thank all the members who gave business and whoever used my service. Thank you so much. And as you all know, I'm into foreign exchange and I buy and sell currencies, and we also buy coins, and we also we sell travel card, and we help travelers to have a complete solution in our office. And apart from this, you all know that yesterday I had an interview in television. Please see that television interview, like it, share it, and that is my ask of the day. And you will know more about what I am doing and what kind of business it is. And why I am into this business. Anyone guessing?
We are very fond of money. You are very fond of money. You are love money.
Because you are fond of doing business.
See, why I am into this business is because I want to help travelers, and I want people to travel abroad and see all countries' currency. So that is the only thing which made me created a passion and made me to come into this business. And my USP is the best rate, the best service, and the prompt deliveries. And we create trust and bond, and we educate customers, and we help them to know what is forex and create awareness. So, and what is my ask would be?
Big travelers, NRIs, dealers.
Actually, I keep on travel keep on telling you all the 30 seconds when I come to BNI is about hospitals, schools, consulates, and doctors, business owners. I think all these things are my ask, but I cannot ask together. So today I have few things, 5 asks. One is the franchisee, because we are building franchisees all over Chennai. So if you have any retailers, are there any friends or your relatives, any retail business they are doing? And there are few members here who are doing retail business. Even though if it is a provision store, you can have a franchisee of Money Changer. So you can give me any of your referral regarding that. And the second ask would be like hospitals or the doctors, your family doctors, because the doctors usually go conference in a year. Even our doctor goes and he buys every time with me. And in the hospitals there will be a NRI foreign clients will be coming, and I want to get connected to those hospitals. And the third would be like travel agents, your travel agents, because they will be sending people frequently, international trips. So that would be a big business for me. And the fourth ask would be, I think you would have all seen the WhatsApp. Can anyone tell what is my fourth ask?
Like, comment, share.
Sure, gift கொடுக்கலாம்னு நினைச்சேன்ப்பா. Yes. Manish, you said, no? Yes, super. Okay. So I would like the fourth ask is like I want to do workshop for the children in the international schools. So that is my fourth ask. And the fifth one is the one which I asked you to share. So these are my 5 asks. And apart from this, we also help people to know what is forex. We educate them, we do consultation. So you can put me to the forex dealer if you are doing any forex or any other forex. You can give me their reference. We will be doing consultation with them, or we will tie up a business doing with them. And you can connect me to the hospitals and hotels. Mainly the hotels, you will see a travel desk in all the hotels. All this desk will be like, they will not be having the tie-up with forex, but they will be exchanging. So at that point, we can help them and we can make a tie-up and we can do business with them. So these are all the things which, where you can put me. I know this team is a sales team for me, and more than a sales team, you all given a goodwill for me, more goodwill I have earned through BNI because you people referred me a lot. So I hope you will all do the same again. And if there is any ask, like you people want to ask any doubt, you can ask. Okay, fine. Then I want to share one thing. Doctor, he exchanged currency with me. So his relative was traveling. So this is an experience which I am sharing. They had a last minute travel and his husband is traveling abroad and wife is here. She is in Bangalore and they want to exchange the currency. So we help them exchange, being in Chennai, we help them to exchange currency in Bangalore. So we can do that kind of service. And at the same time, Mr. Andrew sir gave me a reference in school and we did a nice workshop, and he also gave a referral in college. We did a seminar free of cost, and one more, any people who did service can give me a testimony here if you wish to.
I would like to. I was traveling abroad and that time I think I newly knew Dilkush. So then I was not very sure about her. I just checked my prices because I was frequently taking it from some other travel agent. But then I just checked her prices and surprisingly they were really good. And the best part was I told her at 9-10 o'clock that I need to exchange some currency. She has sent her person to my house. I gave the currency and I have taken it. It was unbelievable that on my doorstep I could do that. So that was a great service, Dilkush. Thank you.
Thank you so much.